Sir Ian,
Yes.
let's go!
Let's go.
Sox Paragliding Adventure, Lake Cebu. That's Ian's view. Sir,
Yes.
kamsamida. Oh, Mr. Song, salamat. And other one, Mr.
Choi.
Choi, salamat. And Sir Ian.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Palaila, sir.
I am Ian.
All the way from
All the way from Jensen.
General Santos City,
Yes,
the
sir.
city of champions. Yes, sir,
City of
Ian.
champions.
Look straight. Hi to Joggers and Joseph. Shout out, John.
Shout out kay Joggers.
Joggers. Musta ka, Brad? Brother ko yan.
Bano ko si Titoy.
Yeah, Titoy. Brother, let's go. Okay, look straight. Take a deep breath. Okay, let's go. Atras, sir. Bilang ta, sir. 4, 3, 2. Okay, pasok na ka. Pasok na ka. Okay, nako lang. Buyur ako, sir. Buyur ako, sir. Okay, dagan. Take it dun. Dagan, sir. Dagan. Okay, sulod ang wala. Sulod ang tuo. Amin na, sir. Atras. Tulak. Kamako. Good tulak. Good. Okay. Camera. Let's go. Woo! Flying. 3,300 feet above sea level. Wow. Cross your legs, sir. Ayan. Nice.
Yes.
Nagtanong Netflix.
Mura nagtanong Netflix sir Titoy na rin.
Let's go.
Wow.
Hawak dito, sir.
Grabe na experience.
Ayan. 3,300 feet above sea level, guys.
Wow.
Salamat, sir. Ayan.
Yan, to my followers, Daily Stop PH.
Oh,
Sa
lala.
lahat- Sa
Hello,
lahat
guys.
ng nanonood dyan.
This
Sox
is-
Paragliding, Lake
Yes.
Cebu.
This is flying. It's Sir Ian.
It's a must try, guys.
Oh, lala.
Woo!
Let's go.
And look for Sir Titoy,
Yes,
the
sir.
best pilot. From Sarangani pala eh.
Kudos to Sir Idel, Sir Kyle. Yeah. Co-pilots. Hey. Nice. Let's go. Eh, tanaw to murag buktot nga isla, sir.
Ano to?
Wala na taon na sleeping crocodile.
Wala siya.
Ah. Let's go. This is the Ian adventure, the Ian experience. Yan.
Namay pa si Joseph din, di ba?
Sir?
Si Joseph Mungkaga.
O na po isla din niya.
Saan
Ato nga.
Nada,
Oh.
no?
Pag makasaka o tata, makita na yung swimming pool. Yan. Hey, ganun. Yan. Landing niya, sir. Ato ra, sir, ha?
Ah, sige, sige.
Tugnaw, lagi diri, sir. Ano pong lindot.
Wala advantage na.
Talmang hangin. Dito sa amo, sa Sargan sa una, bukurog, mani. Ang init man dito, sir. Baybay man.
Dali wala dyan ba?
Ba? Murag siminto. Oh,
Sa kuwan?
Inay Island, joyride. Yes. Sir, camera, ako na pagkunin. Yan. Let's go.
Let's go!
Island adventure. Yan, sir, oh. Yan, yan yung glider namin. Yan. Oh, lala. Okay, left hand na po, sir, ay. Dili na po gunit, ha? Padlahing angle.
Yay! Tanawan niyo na sa akong page, Daily Stop PH.
Yes.
Sa tanan mong inquire ha, follow Sox Paragliding.
Let's go. Thank you, sir. Sana ano pa kayo, sir? Maka-invite pa kayo ng ibang guests.
Oh, of course.
Visit us here. Whole year diri, sir. Ayan.
All year?
Whole year round flying. Best time 7:30 to noon time.
Okay.
Pero pag walang ulan, just like now, we can still fly up to the afternoon.
Yes.
Oh, and those are the mountains, sir, at the back.
Wow.
Yes. All green. Yeah. Smooth air. Experiencing culture, nature, and adventure. Yeah.
Grabing sarap, guys.
After dito, marami pa kayong mapuntahan na pasyalan, guys.
Yes.
Ano nyo lang, sir, ayan, tanungin nyo siya. Marami siyang destination dito. Ayos ba, sir?
Yeah.
Let's go! Yeah.
Seven Falls next.
Yes!
Zipline kami, zipline. Wow.
Yung Punta Isla Resort, sir, ayan. Yung green roof.
Ay, okay.
Yeah, kita-kita
Wow.
tayo dito. Sir, ay. And Slowly lean left, look left. Yan. Yan, buti galing sir ay.
Doon sa taas.
Oo, katong cliff, katong bundok, tunay tarp. Yeah. Good?
Good.
Yeah. The Iron Adventure, the Iron Experience. Let's go!
Let's go!
Thank you for believing, sir. Yes.
Trust the process.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Trust the process. Yeah. Well, resort dito yan, sir. Yan yung name. Yan. Walang bayad, libre. Kasi napadaan kami sa ere. Hindi kami nag-over the backot. Yan. Ayan. Napadaan lang kami, napadaan. Libre yun. Sir Iron. This is the Iron Adventure. Ulala. Yan sila Mr. Sok. Yan, yung sa blue room. Yung mga nakakaitin.
We're waiting.
Sagil lang sila sir. Tara sa tabi. Chuta. Ulala. Hello. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woohoo. Yeah. May pads sir. Ulala. Napadaan lang kami. Yan. Yan. Slowly look left sir. Lean left. Gumay. Banking. Good. Transfer the camera on your right hand. And slowly look left. Tingnan mo yung fans mo. Sila mo sila. Hi! Let's go! Wow! Fly tayo! Sir! Let's go! Woo! Let's go! Woohoo! Yeah, Sir Ian. Salamat sa pasalit, Sir Ian. So, in behalf of Sox Paragliding Adventure, I'm Peter Romano, your tandem pilot, Sir Ian. In behalf of Sox team, salamat sa pasalit. Slowly descending, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say fit up lang, sir, ha?
Okay.
Towards the landing zone. There, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me. Yan. Slowly approaching. Yan. Woo! Yan. Green na green dito, guys. Yan. Slowly look na. Yan. Approaching. Yan. Okay. Tingin sa paa. Tingin sa paa, taas na, sir.
Pass.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Ready?
Ready?
Okay. Okay. Feet up. Pwede ka maglakad ng paspas, sir. Dagan ng paspas. Lakaw na. Lakaw na, sir. Lakaw. Kaya para perfect landing. Perfect landing. Tindog, sir. Oh, la, la. Woohoo. Perfect. Okay, turn right. Turn right. Okay. Slider off. Exemption yun. Hindi ko siya pinaupo.
Yeah.
Oh, lala. The Iron Adventure.
Yes.
The Iron Experience.
Follow-
Socks.
Socks, paragliding.
Thank you, Sir Del. Sir Kyle. Oh, lala.
Follow for more.
And 3, 2,
2, 1.
bye.